Original bad man, you done know.
It's VQs.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am starting off with clean hair, and I've just blow dried my hair. You can actually go ahead and stretch your hair out by cornrows or whatever you prefer, like non-heat stretching. And I'm using these clip-ins from Hergivenhair company, and they sent me 3 bundles of their kinky blowouts, and look at that, guys. That is gorgeous hair. Like, wow, I love the texture. So first of all, I'm just gonna start by parting my hair from the front all the way to the nape of my head. And it is difficult when you're doing it by yourself, like, I'm not gonna lie. So you will need to use like 2 mirrors. Like, that's what I usually go for. I usually just use 2 mirrors and keep checking the back to see that everything is good. And I'm gonna go ahead and just use my argan oil just on my hair. Like, the only product on my hair right now is like leave-in conditioner and just the argan oil. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my ORS age control. You can use any age control you prefer, or you can actually use some Marie's beeswax or anything like that. I didn't want to use gel because gel will definitely shrink my hair, and it will be difficult for me to, you know, achieve this hairstyle since my hair is still pretty short. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure that I apply the edge control around everywhere where I want my hair to be slicked down, and I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth the edge control with my hard bristle brush. I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the clip-ins. Okay, so I'm starting off with the shorter one, the ones with 3 clips, so you can choose what you prefer to do, guys. And this hair is just gorgeous, guys. So I'm just gonna keep layering the clip-ins, and I'll show you guys later on in this video that I started layering on top of the other clips. Like, if you understand what I'm saying, like, put another layer on top of the other clips, because my hair is pretty thin. I don't have a thick hair.
I just gotta tell you what's in my mind, you gotta know. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Baby, make you ginger.
How gorgeous is it? Like, you see, guys, because I layered I think 3 or more tracks from the other packet. So because my hair, like I mentioned, is pretty thin, especially the temples and the hairline, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some volume to my hair by creating some feed-in braids, just hair, so that we have a good foundation, you guys. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start working with the clip-ins. So you want to make sure that you try to grab your hair as much as you can, because if your hair is pretty short, you might struggle a bit to get it tucked in. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing the cornrows, like detangling the hair as I go. And it was so easy to detangle this hair, you guys. It is absolutely like effortless. So I'm just gonna continue tucking my hair, braiding my hair. So you can see that, guys, the way everything is blending together is absolutely amazing. And I don't know what's been happening to my skin lately. I'm just having breakouts, and I'm not even taking any supplements or, you know, anything like that. I just don't know what's happening, but yeah, I am just having breakouts. So whatever it is, so I'm just gonna finish off this braid. and I'm gonna go ahead and slick the front down with my brush, and just make sure if there's any hair that is not tagged in, just make sure it's all tagged in. So that's that side done, and I absolutely love the outcome. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the other side, so it is just the same thing from the other side. Like seriously, you guys see that bandage there? I keep hurting myself, either I'm cleaning or whatever it is, I just keep getting myself cut. Like it's not easy, but yeah. So I used the 3 bundles that they sent me, and so I divided the 3 bundles into half. Okay, and if you see, like I was telling you guys, I am layering the 3rd clip on the same clip-ins that I had already clipped, like if you understand what I'm saying, because I wanted more volume. So I started layering on top of the other clip. Okay, it wasn't going on my hair, it was going on the other clip, and I'm just brushing the hair down. Like seriously, how silky and smooth this is. Like it is absolutely effortless, and I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same process I did on the side.
When I ride on bumble,
it's fake kills.
One time.
standard.
Baby. One time. It's baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man, I tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. Hot man on the show now. Oh, yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. Now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me a dancing.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Call me emergency.
One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down.
The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair down and just sit under the dryer for like 10-15 minutes so that the edge control sets. So this is the ends of the braids.
That baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that.
This looks so natural and flawless. I love that the clip-ins do blend with my own natural hair, and I'm sure it blends in with any type of natural hair. Like look at that, guys, absolutely flawless. Like I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.